Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming EPS placement and OBS ownership so reporting flows correctly. Next, create the WBS and add activities with clear ID and durations. This gives structure. Once done, assign the project calendar and set the project start date to anchor dates. Make sure to import baseline data if available. Baselines let you measure progress. Finally, check activity types, task-dependent, finish to start relationships, and save the project before moving to resource work. You now load resources and assign them to activities, specifying units and cost rates so estimates are realistic. Then establish logical relationships across tasks. Use lag for sequencing when needed. FS is common. Once linked, set constraints sparingly to avoid schedule distortion and apply resource leveling rules to smooth peaks. Make sure to set the primary calendar for resources and choose the correct curve shapes. This affects cost and allocation. Save and run a preliminary schedule to reveal conflicts. You must create and save a baseline before publishing. This locks your plan for comparisons. Then run the schedule and review critical path, total and free float, and any resource overallocations. These highlight risk. Once identified, fix issues by adjusting logic, changing durations, or reassigning resources. Relevel if necessary. Make sure to rerun and confirm results, then save a new baseline. If results are still off, check calendars and constraints first. Those are frequent hidden causes of unexpected dates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.